Welcome to latest update program. The topic of discussion is Farmer ID initiative. The Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare has urged states to expedite the creation of farmer IDs under the Digital Agriculture Mission. Known as Kisan Pehchan Patra, the farmer ID will link Aadhaar to land records and include demographic, crop and ownership details. The government aims to create digital identities for 11 crore farmers, targeting 6 crore farmers in financial year 2024-25. States are encouraged to organize camps for inclusive and efficient registration of farmer IDs. Financial incentives will be provided to states for conducting camps and generating IDs. Drishti IAS is excited to announce its first offline batch of IAS GS Foundation Prelims Plus Mains course at Noida Center. Hindi medium batch will start on 9th December at 11:30 am and English medium batch will start from 12th December at 6 pm. For more details, call us on 9311 406 440 or visit us at C171/2 Block A, Sector 15, Noida, UP. Near Metro Station Noida, Sector 15. So hurry, book your seats now. Now let's discuss about features and goals of Farmer ID. Farmer ID will serve as a unique digital identity linking farmers to the state's land records dynamically. The initiative aims to enhance efficiency in delivering agricultural schemes and subsidies. The database will form the Farmers Registry, part of the AgriStack for digital public infrastructure in agriculture. The target is to register 3 crore farmers in financial year 2025-26 and 2 crore in financial year 2026-27. This initiative supports the broader goals of the Digital Agriculture Mission approved by the Union Cabinet earlier this year. Now moving on to significance and expected benefits. Farmer IDs will streamline the delivery of agricultural benefits, ensuring that subsidies reach the unintended beneficiary. The initiative will reduce duplication and inefficiencies in the implementation of schemes. Improved data infrastructure will help policymakers understand agricultural demographics and needs. Linking land records and crop data will provide better insights for planning and disaster management. This step aligns with the center's focus on digital transformation in the agricultural sector. Now is the time for practice question. What is the main purpose of the Farmer ID initiative? Issuing land titles, linking farmers to Aadhaar and land records, monitoring fertilizer distribution, or enabling rural banking? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching. For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.